Ever felt like no matter how much you earn, you just can't get ahead financially? Maybe you've hit that point where you think, I've got a decent salary, but why does it always seem like it's not enough? Well, what if I told you that making more money isn't the only thing that determines your financial future? In today's video, we're diving deep into 5 financial lessons that most people learn too late in life. These lessons go beyond budgeting and saving. They're about the mindset and decisions that truly shape long-term financial success. Stick around if you're ready to change your perspective on money and start making smarter decisions today. Let's get started. 1. The true value of money is freedom. Many of us are taught to equate money with material things. Flashy cars, luxurious clothes, extravagant vacations. But what if I told you the real value of money lies in freedom? Freedom means the power to choose how you spend your time and energy, not being forced into a 9-to-5 job to survive. Think about it. Time is the most valuable resource we have. Once it's gone for good. Unlike money, you can't earn more time, but with money, you can buy more choices on how to spend your time. Money doesn't buy happiness directly, but it gives you the opportunity to live on your terms. Whether it's taking vacations, spending more time with loved ones, or pursuing a passion project, financial freedom gives you the ability to decide what you value most. By focusing on financial freedom rather than material wealth, you start living with intention, not obligation. And the most successful individuals understand this well. They make choices that allow them to enjoy life more deeply, not just accumulate things. So, next time you're thinking about money, think about how it can give you the freedom to do what truly matters. This mindset shift could change your financial outlook forever. 2. Invest early and avoid debt. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is one of the most powerful financial concepts, and it works best when you start early. Essentially, it's the interest you earn on the money you've invested, and then that interest earns its own interest over time. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and for a good reason. If you start investing at 25 instead of 35, you'll have years more for your money to grow, and the difference in your wealth at retirement will be significant. Let's say you invest $100 a month starting at 25 with a 7% return. By 65, that $100 turns into over $150,000. Now, imagine the difference if you delay that investment until you're 35. Your growth is severely limited. But it's not just about investing early. It's about avoiding high-interest debt. Debt, especially from credit cards or personal loans, can erase all the hard work you put into saving and investing. High interest rates compound just like your investments, but in the wrong direction. This can trap you in a cycle of paying more interest than you're earning. Avoiding debt and starting to invest early are 2 critical pieces to building long-term wealth. So, prioritize eliminating debt and begin investing now to take full advantage of compound interest. 3. Successful investing requires patience and consistency. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about making big, flashy moves or chasing the latest trend. Successful investing is about consistency and patience, staying invested even during market downturns. Too often, people believe that successful investors are either incredibly smart or lucky. But in reality, it's not about brilliance. It's about persistence and staying the course. It's the ability to remain calm when the market feels chaotic that makes the biggest difference. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, has always said that you don't need to be a genius to invest successfully. Instead, you need to make consistent, informed decisions over time. Patience in investing pays off. If you can avoid emotional reactions to market volatility and stick to a sound investment strategy, you'll likely come out ahead in the long run. Consider this. The stock market is notorious for its fluctuations, but historically, it trends upward over extended periods. If you can keep your investment steady, even through periods of downturn, your wealth will grow slowly but surely, rather than try and time the market or jump on every hot stock. Focus on long-term growth. Keep making regular contributions, whether the market is up or down. This steady approach will build wealth far more effectively than trying to chase quick wins or reacting to every dip. Over time, it's consistency and a well-thought-out strategy that wins the race. Stay patient, trust your plan, and let time work in your favor. 4. Spend less than you earn. This might just be the most crucial financial lesson of all. Spend less than you earn. It sounds simple, yet so many people struggle with this principle, especially when faced with the temptation of lifestyle inflation. The moment you get a raise, a promotion, or a bonus, it's incredibly easy to justify upgrading your lifestyle. A new car, a bigger house, or more luxurious vacations seem like reasonable ways to enjoy your success. However, the truth is, every time your spending increases along with your income, you're also reducing the amount of money you can save or invest. The key to financial security isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making smarter choices. Living below your means doesn't mean saying no to everything you enjoy. It means being mindful of where your money goes. For instance, rather than buying the latest trendy clothes or gadgets that provide temporary satisfaction, consider investing that money in something that will pay off in the future, like your retirement account or a savings fund. It's about creating balance, not cutting out all the fun or luxury from your life. Start with small, manageable changes that will have a lasting impact. You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Instead, begin by cooking more meals at home instead of dining out, opting for a practical, budget-friendly car instead of a luxury model, or simply cutting down on impulse buys. These small adjustments can help build the foundation for a healthier financial future. When you consistently spend less than you earn, you create a financial gap that allows you to save and invest. Over time, this gap widens, and so does your wealth. The more you save, the more you can invest, and the more your money will work for you. It's a powerful cycle that leads to long-term financial freedom. 5. Your happiness can be measured in relationships, not money. While money can provide comforts and security, true happiness doesn't come from accumulating wealth. It's important to recognize that, at the end of the day, happiness is rooted in the quality of the relationships we build and maintain, not the number of zeros on our bank statements. Wealth may open doors and provide convenience, but it's the deep, meaningful connections with others that truly enrich our lives. The wealthiest people in the world understand this better than anyone. Warren Buffett, one of the richest individuals on the planet, has often stated that success in life is not measured by how much wealth you amass, but by the strength of your relationships. His perspective highlights a vital truth. Relationships are the foundation of a fulfilling life. Strong relationships offer something that money simply can't buy: love, support, and a sense of belonging. Whether it's family, friends, or a life partner, the people we share our lives will play an enormous role in our overall happiness and well-being. They provide emotional support during tough times, celebrate with us during joyful moments, and offer the kind of genuine connection that material possessions never can. When you focus on building and nurturing these relationships, you're investing in something far more valuable than any material possession. True wealth comes from the bonds we create with others, not the things we collect. So, remember to prioritize the people around you. They are, without a doubt, your greatest source of happiness. These 5 lessons are crucial for anyone looking to improve their financial situation, but they're often learned too late in life. It's never too late to shift your mindset and start making smarter decisions. By focusing on the value of money, investing early, staying consistent with your investments, spending wisely, and building meaningful relationships, you can set yourself up for a prosperous future. Even if you're starting later than you'd like, it's still possible to turn things around. Financial success doesn't come overnight. It's about making the right decisions day by day. The sooner you start, the more you'll benefit from these lessons in the long run. So, let these 5 financial lessons guide you to a more secure and fulfilling life. If you found these lessons helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into building a better financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.